Hi guys, welcome to the Tech tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create WIX website for free. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now we will be demonstrating in today's video how you will be able to create and build your very own website using Wix.com, and of course it will entirely be free. We will not be doing anything that would cost you money, and we will be showing you how you could create your website absolutely for free. Now, of course, the only thing that will cost money eventually down the road is if you choose to connect your Wix website to your own domain. And domains usually cost money to be able to run. So you're going to have to pay for the domain that will be connected to Wix.com. So that will be the only time you will be spending money, of course, if ever you do want to connect it to your own domain. But don't worry, without having to connect it to the domain, you will still be able to publish your website, as you can see here on our screen. Now also, as you can see on our screen, we already have a few test websites that I have created, meaning you will be able to create multiple websites without any limitations, and there won't be any plan that you would need to subscribe to be able to create a specific amount of websites. So don't worry about that. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing in any website is, of course, creating your account. After you create and log into your account, you will be able to see what we are seeing right now on our screen. This is basically the home page or the default page you will be able to access when you are already logged in. And this page is called My Sites. Basically, in this My Sites, this is where you will be able to select different websites, view the different websites, and even open their dashboard. And you will be able to edit and modify different websites that is found over here, even though they are already published. So you will be able to edit your websites even though they are already done. So you will be able to make some changes. Now, to be able to create a website in Wix, you're going to have to click on Create New Site over here on the top right side. And then you will be redirected to this page where we will be able to start the process of creating our website in Wix. So let's give it some time to load, and then we will be exploring the step-by-step process of creating, of course, your website. And as you can see, the first step is selecting our first platform. Now, we have the option to choose Wix as our website editor or using Editor X. Now, personally, I choose to use the Wix.com's editor and not the Editor X, but it is completely up to you. If you're trying to create your website, I suggest that you experiment between Wix and Editor X to see your preference and, of course, be able to use the one that is suitable for you. But for me, I will be sticking with Wix, and we will begin our website creation using the Wix editor. Now, you will be redirected after selecting the specific editor in this page. Now, it will ask you what kind of website are you creating. It will ask you different type of information so that it can narrow down templates later on where you will be able to select different templates. Like for example, I have selected an online store over here and then entered the other necessary information. Wix will now then display only online store related templates that you could choose from. Now, for us, let's say I am trying to create a portfolio. I'm simply going to select my portfolio over here, and then you will be able to click on Next. But as you can see, it will suggest more information over here and allow you to be more specific with what type of portfolio you're trying to create. Like for example, you have your art portfolio, digital art portfolio, game design portfolio, and illustrator portfolio, and many more. It is completely up to you if ever you want to be more specific, but right now I'm going to stick with the general definition or the general term. So after that, you're simply going to click on Next. Then we will be proceeding to the next step, of course. And over here, it will now then ask you what you would like to call your website. You can of course change it anytime you want, and you can simply type in the website name that you want. So let's go with C. And simply click on Next to move on to the next step, of course. Now after that, you will be able to see all of this option over here. Basically, all of these options are apps or features that you could add to your website. Right now, the portfolio feature is automatically added because this is the option that we chose earlier on the first step. And you have the recommended apps for you, such as Instagram feed to display your pics and videos from Instagram, blogs if ever you would like to write some posts, and even videos and stream and sell your videos, as you can see here. And you will be able to view all the different apps and features available that is being offered in Wix. Although it is not recommended, or you will still be able to add them if ever you want to add them. As you can see, you have the forums, groups, restaurant menus, table reservations, any of this feature you will be able to add. But for me, I will stick with the one that is recommended to me, like the blog and the video. So let's simply click on next and let's proceed to the next step. Now in the next step, you will be able to see in a minute, there we go. You will be able to start setting up your website through the dashboard, or you could start designing your website right away. We could click on either of these options. And basically in the dashboard, this is more on the content of your website. For example, I am selling different products. You will be able to add your products in the dashboard. But for the design, of course, you will have to start with the template. So simply click on begin with a template or get a custom built site, and Wix will create your template or website for you, and this will be utilizing an AI. But if you want to control every part of your website, of course, you will be having to continue with the template option over here. So simply click on begin with template, and we will be redirected to the page where we will be able to select the templates, of course. And like I said earlier in the video, with the option that you have selected, it will show you the portfolio related templates. But you will still be able to view, of course, the other templates, but it will view the portfolio websites first, and you will be able to sort them by the recommended newest or top templates over here. And you will be able to see as well like the best match over here, like the artist, and you have your photographer over here and illustrator over here. So you have all of this option. The option you want to choose is, of course, depends on your preference and how you would like your website to be presented. Now, majority of this are pre-made, of course, as you can see, you could already observe. But if you want to create your own website from scratch, you could click on blank templates over here, which would allow you to view different templates that are already blank and there's no content on them, like this one. You could start from scratch, or you have your minimal layout over here, classic layout. All of this layouts over here and templates that are completely empty for you to build. But if you want to jump ahead and have something working right ahead or right away, you will be able to select from the different templates over here that you are seeing right now. So let's go look for our portfolio from earlier. Let's look for where it is. There we go, portfolios. And let's select a portfolio that we would like to edit. So for example, I would like to use this one, the first one called artist. I'm simply going to click on edit, and we will be redirected to the editing page, of course, where we will begin editing the specific template that we have selected, and then added the different parts, controlling the different parts, of course, adding videos, adding photos, and rearranging the different blocks. So let's give it some time to load, and we will be able to show you how you will be able to create your website and customize it. Now, while waiting for the website editor to run and finish its process, because it takes a while if it's a new website, it's setting up the different features and the different things that need to work together with the editor. While waiting for this, we could check out our homepage once again. If you want to edit the content of a specific website, like I said in the dashboard, you will be able to view it by simply selecting this option over here on the top left. Click on my site and click on the name of the website that you have created. It doesn't appear here right now because we haven't finished creating it over here. But once you select the website over here, you will be able to be redirected to the dashboard where you can control different information about that specific website. So it will be appearing in this section. As you can see, you will be able to monitor the activity, the different apps, the portfolio, the contacts, communications, automations, marketing, SEO, analytics and reports, and billing and payment. So basically, this dashboard is the back page or the back end of this website. And this one that we are doing right now is the front end of the website. So there we go. This is our website over here. As you can see, there are different parts, and it is currently adding different touches or like the different settings. So let's give it a bit of time before we will be able to actually edit it out. And as you can see here, this is where you will be able to add your domain over here as well, and you will be able to publish it. And if you want to edit the different information with more details, you will be able to find it in the dashboard. But let's focus on our front end for now and show you how you will be able to publish it. So over here right now, this is our different settings, and these are the different features that you could use over here. On the left side, you have your ad elements, ad sections, page and menu, site designs, apps, my business, media, and CMS. Those are the different things that you could use to build your website. And as you can see, this is our screen right now. You will be able to edit every single part. As you can see, when you hover on the different parts, you can click on quick edits and you will be able to edit the information over here on the right side. As you can see, you can check out the layouts and the contents. This is the content over here, the text. You can change this to whatever you want over here. Let's say buy anything you want. There we go. You will be able to see the changes over here in the middle. And you could do this on every part of the website. You could go with the heading over here. You could edit that as well. You can click on quick edit. There we go. You will be able to edit this as well. You could change the POV or the view to mobile or desktop. As you can see, you can select it over here on the top. And this is also the images over here. You will be able to edit the images by clicking that specific part, of course. Over here, like the WIX Pro Gallery, then click on settings, and then you can simply upload your different photos that you want to present in this area. Over here, as you can see, you can choose the layouts over here, the design and stuff. But in general, you will be able to add the media or your own photos in the media section over here that will appear when you open it on the desktop version. Here we go. This option over here, the media option over here, this is where you will be able to upload your own images. And after playing around, after editing every single part of your website, if you're satisfied with this, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right, and you will be able to publish your website. And right now it is under Wix, of course. And there we go. We have now published our website, and it is now currently live. And then we could view the website over here. As you can see, we will be able to see our freshly built Wix website absolutely for free. There we go. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. That is how you will be able to build a free Wix website. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.